Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of ordering same-day delivery with Instacart, ensuring you get your groceries fast and efficiently. Follow these simple steps to make your shopping experience seamless. Step 1. Sign up or log in. Start by visiting the Instacart website or opening the Instacart app on your mobile device. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering your delivery address. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Set your location. Once you're logged in, make sure to set your delivery location. Instacart will display stores available near you based on the address you provided. You can change your delivery address anytime if you're shopping from a different location. Step 3. Choose your store. Browse through the list of grocery stores available in your area. Select a preferred store to start shopping. You can choose from major retailers and local shops depending on what's available. Step 4. Add items to your cart. Now it's time to shop. Use the search bar to find specific items or browse through different categories. When you find an item you want, select the quantity and click Add to Cart. Repeat this step until you have everything you need. Step 5. Review your cart. Once you've added all desired items, head to your cart by clicking the cart icon. Review all the items, check quantities, and make any adjustments if necessary. This is also a good time to remove any items you no longer want. Step 6. Choose same-day delivery. After reviewing your cart, click on Checkout. Here, you will see delivery options. Select same-day delivery and choose your preferred delivery time slot. Instacart allows you to select from available time slots based on your area. Step 7. Enter payment information. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Instacart accepts various payment methods, including debit, credit cards, and more. Make sure to provide correct details to avoid any issues with the order. Step 8. Place your order. Once you've entered the payment details, review your order one last time. Ensure that everything is correct. Click on Place Order to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation via email or app notification. Step 9. Track your order. After placing your order, you can track its progress in real time. Instacart will notify you when your shopper is picking your items and when they are on their way for delivery. Don't forget to tip your delivery driver if you're satisfied with their service. Your feedback helps improve the overall experience. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on ordering same-day delivery with Instacart. For more helpful tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Happy shopping!